Good evening, this is Mohammed speaking from Omega Dynamic Marketing. Just wanted to show the screencast for you guys to show you that how I can improve your guys' website and bring you more customers. So this is your website, E Plumbing, pretty nice and neat, but it's only one page. To help you rank in first page of Google, which will generate you more customer, you need the good content. Good content of minimum of 1500. I recommend 2500. That way it's easy for you to rank number one in Google or first page of Google, which will generate you more customer. Yeah, you guys have a pretty nice website. I like pretty much everything you guys have. It's just that it's not standing out to the Google to rank your higher. So I'm gonna plug in your website to a tool we use called AF, and as you can see that you guys have only UR of 6, DR of 0. 77 backlinks, 15 referral domain, 393 organic keywords, 140 organic traffic. Now, if I should compare this to top earner in the area is ARS. They have 55 UR, 58 UR, 90K backlinks, 3 referral domains, 34 organic keywords, and 32 organic traffic. You can see they are down here by thousands. So this is where I can help you build a nice website, or I can revise this, make it more legible with 15 contact, and then compete you guys with ARSs. So this is the whole video about. Also, Google likes to have you guys already have Google My Business, so Google says having Google My Business helps out a lot. So this is where we are at right now. With you guys, I just want to help every local business have a competitive website that will help you bring in more customer and compete with other competitor in the area for your business. That way they should not get all the service, it should spread out. So this is how I can help. So there's your email, there's your website, it's pretty good. Yes, it just needs some content. Nice to see, you guys have it's pretty maybe probably all by now, it's been 1 year. So this website needs some touch up, it needs some work, and I can definitely help bump the website, do optimize and add a ton of good backlinks for a domain, get this up to 30, 35, and then help you guys out and compete with other competitors. So this is all this video is about. So if you guys like this video, or wants to know more about it, please give me a call at 703-270-8188, or you can email me back. I'll definitely email you back. And I hope you guys like this video. Just want to give you guys a shout out and show you guys that this can be done with the help of good search engine optimization, and I can help you with that. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm waiting for to hear back from you guys soon. Thank you.